Good morning. I'm Tom Schmidt from the Florida Injury Law Firm. We've been talking about first party coverage. That's your insurance coverage that covers you in the event that you're in an accident. We talked about personal injury protection, which covers your medical expenses. We talked about uninsured motorist coverage, which covers you in the event that the person who caused the accident doesn't have any or enough coverage. Today I'm going to talk very briefly about they call it comp collision coverage. But it's not just comp collision when we're talking about property damage. It's property damage, comp collision. Property damage covers you in the event you cause damage to another vehicle. If you're in an accident, you cause damage to another vehicle, this property damage insurance is what pays for the other vehicle. It is required in the state of Florida. In a prior segment, I said that PIP was required, personal injury protection, and one other type of coverage. Property damage is required as well. So usually the limits are $50,000, but it can be other limits. And that protects you again if you cause an accident and somebody's car is damaged. That pays. Comp collision is what pays in the event that somebody hits you and either there's a problem with their coverage, and there may be other reasons why you need to use your own comprehensive or your own collision coverage. Collision coverage protects you in that instance where you can't deal with the at-fault party's insurance company. The only problem with your own collision coverage is there may be a deductible. Comprehensive really doesn't apply in an accident type situation, so we really don't need to talk about that today, but collision can be very important. It's not required in the state of Florida, only property damage is. So it's important when you're selecting your insurance, just like it's important that you look at your coverages carefully. If you want to know more about insurance coverages, call me. I'm Tom Schmidt at the Florida Injury Law Firm, 407-566-2210.